Welcome to QTech. Today I will share the general rules of flying a drone in Ireland. Ireland is a beautiful country with an amazing landscape perfect for drone videos and photos. So, as long as you follow the rules, you will have a great time flying your drone in the Emerald Island. With that being said, let's begin. If you plan to fly above 15 meters or 49 feet and your drone weighs more than 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds, you must register your drone. It's a pretty simple two-step registration process. You can register with the Irish Aviation Authority at iaa.ie or simply click on the link provided in the description below. Okie dokie, with that out of the way, let's go over the rules of flying a drone in Ireland. The drone should always be in your direct line of sight. If you can't see your drone, that's a good strong sign that you should start bringing it back until you can see it. Now, I understand some smartass might have a super eyesight and can see real far, and it's very difficult to prove that you can actually see or not see the drone. So, the following flying restrictions make it crystal clear. You should never fly farther than 300 meters or 984 feet, even if you can see the drone beyond that range. You should never fly over 120 meters or 400 feet above ground level, even if you can see the drone beyond that range. Most drones allow you to set max flying altitude and distance. Please set it up so that you don't have to worry about accidentally going beyond the permitted limits. Never fly the drone if it will be a hazard to another aircraft in flight. Never fly closer than 5 kilometers or 3 miles from any aerodrome. Never fly in a civil or military controlled airspace. Example, airspace surrounding airports. Never fly over an assembly of people, example concerts, parades, large gatherings, unless you have permission to do so from relevant authorities. Never fly within 30 meters or 98 feet of any person, vessel or vehicle unless you have permission to do so. Try to avoid flying over urban areas, cities, villages, towns, again, unless you have permission to do so. Unmanned Aircraft Association of Ireland or UAAI have an airspace map which is super helpful in identifying fly, no-fly zones. Very important note, if you're planning to fly your drone in Northern Ireland, you will need to follow a different set of rules as drone rules for Northern Ireland are governed by the UK. You can find the link in the description below. And finally, fly responsibly and have good fun. Just don't be a jerk. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay notified. Have a good one and fly safe. Bye bye.